as today I am doing 45 minutes driving into a crazy challenge of finding the source of a mysterious roof leak that's been driving everyone nuts. Mysterious roof leaks can be a huge headache for homeowners. They can cause water damage, ruin your ceilings. At Kelly Roofing, we've seen our fair share of leaks, and even lead to some serious structural issues if left unchecked. But every case is unique and requires a thorough investigation. That's why it's super important to address them as soon as possible. The leak we're investigating today is at a residential property where the homeowner has been noticing water spots on their ceiling and some pretty. Initial observations suggest that the leak seems to be coming from a specific area of the roof. Significant dripping during heavy rainfall. The homeowner is understandably concerned. No one likes the idea of water slowly seeping into their home. To get to the bottom of this, we'll be using some specialized equipment, including moisture meters and thermal imaging cameras, and run a water test to help us detect any hidden issues. As an expert, I will also be inspecting the roof's flashing and tiles. For any signs of damage or wear, we're looking for anything out of the ordinary. A crack, a gap that could be allowing water to seep in. As we explore the roof and surrounding areas, we notice that the leak seems to be originating from a specific spot near the flashing. It looks like the flashing around might be damaged, which could be causing the leak, but we'll need to take a closer look to confirm. Our expert insights tell us that this is a common issue, especially in areas with heavy rainfall. Upon further inspection, I discovered that the flashing was indeed damaged, but not in an obvious way. It looks like a small section of the flashing had been lifted by a strong gust of wind during the storm, creating a tiny gap that allowed water to seep in. It's a subtle issue, but one that's easily fixable. The key takeaway from this investigation is the importance of regular roof maintenance to prevent future leaks. A simple inspection and repair can save you a lot of hassle and expense down the line. At Kelly Roofing, we recommend having your roof inspected annually to catch any potential issues before they become major problems. If you've had a similar experience with a mysterious roof leak, we'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about home maintenance and how to keep your roof in top shape, be sure to check out our other informative videos at Top Repairs 01 or visit at kellyroofing.com.